Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the pointer with arithmetic operation in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here I open Turbo C++. I just double click and take some process and yes, now is open. Yes, so yes, now is open. So Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to perform arithmetic operation on pointer variable. Yes, so yes, first we can some rules of pointer arithmetic operation. So what is a first pointer? So pointer is a point some variable, that is a pointer store its value is a address of other variable, and also pointer store the other pointer variable value that you have to assign. But you can't apply multiplication, division, and then addition on the pointer variable, and you cannot assign to constant value on the pointer variable. But you can increment and decrement with pointer variable, that possible. And always you can initialize the address of other variable. You cannot assign any that you cannot violate the rules, means simple value you cannot assign to pointer variable. So pointer variable is a must be other variable, address of other variable. Ampersand we can initialization with other variable. So that is a address must be stored. So yes, and you can apply to pointer to other pointer variable that known as a chain pointer. So yes, in my one previous video lecture, I already take the pointer in C. You can watch that video. So yes, here we can start to arithmetic operation, and here there are two techniques. Yes, there are two techniques you can apply the pointer arithmetic operation. So that is first we can take. Yes, let us first we can take normal variable and assign to pointer variable, and next technique we can directly pointer variable use without normal variable. So yes, first we can include our header file and main, and then our point simple variable first we can take, and then pointer variable we can take, and then we can addition operation summation means. So yes, here I take R, yes, and then clear the screen, yes, and then we can take value from user. So yes, enter X value, yes, enter X value and scanf function. So yes, we can percentage D and ampersand X, and then I copy this and paste to Y variable. So yes, here I also take Y, and then we can take the uh, P equal to ampersand X, that is, and Q equal to ampersand Y, and then asterisk R equal to asterisk P plus addition asterisk Q. So this is a sum, and we can print our sum. And same way you can subtraction, multiplication, division, all operation you can perform. So yes, the addition is, and then we can print percentage D and asterisk R, and then get ch. So let us take that perfectly or not. Save I first. So yes, here we can see the arithmetic operation. So arith and pointer. Yes, that four character is just dot C. So yes, that save and compile. Yes, there is no error, and our exe arith pointer exe is file generated executable file, and we can like sum addition set 30. Yes. So yes, here the first technique I cover. So here we can take the address that is assigned to pointer variable. So what happened in actually internal? So yes, I just draw for one diagram. So yes, X value, that is a location, and then we can assign to 10. Yes, and then Y location, and then we can assign 20. And that address like 1000, I just assumption, and 2000. That taking the pointer variable. Yes, here we can take X value, means that address, and Q, that value is a address of other variable, and that also its address is, so I give like 5000 and here 6000, that is just assumption. And here is a asterisk, that r is a that is a actually no any address, means that its address, like here we can assumption like 3000 and its address is like 7000, but that sum like 30, that is a no any name, here no any name, and that address is a, we can say that 3000, and that store the uh, r variable. So pointer is a always address of other variable, so here there is no location name because we can directly sum to asterisk p and asterisk q. So that is asterisk p means that value of 1000 and x value, and then p, that is address 2000, that is y, and that 20 value. That some one location, but that not location any name. So that is a happening. So this technique in we can provide in R, we can also apply in P and Q. So yes, I first give here, that is second technique we can discuss. So here I just comment line and no use of our simple xy value. So how? So we can directly take I, uh, P and Q. So yes, I also give this comment line, and here what to do? So here we can directly scan as a P and directly scan as a Q, and then sum. That is also possibility. So here first we can give the location name. I remove because that no any location name. Same technique we can R. So here any no location name, and that we can take to pointer variable given by the compiler. So yes, here parenthesis now ready. So let us take that technique is work. So here we can directly that pointer variable, and here no ampersand sign is required because that is a pointer and it's that it value is also address, so we cannot give here ampersand. That is a refer that its value address. So here compiler give one no name location and that values to assign to directly we can sum of r variable, like here we can take sum and that address to give in the r and that its address is also there. So let us take I yes one yes here I that is our paperwork. So yes, I just shift delete and take to here to your reference that is happening internal. So yes, paste, and here I give the multi-comment line. So that is a second technique. Yes, so we cannot give any location name and directly sum of that technique. So let us yes, there is no any error, and we can just give any value, there is no problem. So yes, that also that is second technique. So here first we can use x and y, and then we cannot use x and y. So that is possibility, and you can also print the address of all variable. So here like uh, p value is, yes, p value is address and that is unsigned integer. So we can print also uh, p value, and that is a address, that location of given by the compiler. And then q, yes, that is also q, and its address is also there, so I just copy and paste. So here the p value is a address and now its address, so that is a, we can say that address, p address is, yes, and here we can give ampersand sign, and here we can also give ampersand sign. So here the q address is, yes. So let us take, so I compile, yes, there is no any error. Let us take, I give again 20 and 10 20. So you look here, that is a, yes, percentage, yes, here remaining percentage sign. So that is a giving the u only, that is a symbol. Yes, percentage is symbol that remaining, so that is not perfectly. Now let us check again. So yes, that print address, so its address is different, and that location, that is a, and that location no name, that takes some, and then print r variable, so that is a happening in pointer variable. So there is a short technique, we can say that very easy. But if you not understand, so you can use first technique to our simple variable and then assign to pointer variable. So yes, that is all about pointer arithmetic, and same way you can addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So let us take one menu driven program to pointer arithmetic, because this session we can cover all arithmetic operation, then you can better understand. So yes, menu driven program, yes, that is I think you have to know very well. So that to take one look, and here like alter first if you not understand, so what is a menu? So alter f, that is our menu. Yes, here is a menu, and that is a position is a fix. You look that option, new, open, or that is file menu, we can say that. So that is a known as menu. And our editor turbo, so that is a fix, that why I can show you this menu. So that is position is a fix, so we can take the fixed position, and then we can select our option. So that is a better. So yes, first yes, here I give the while loop, while always one, that is, and we can use, yes, here that our first technique. So I again open our simple variable, and here we can scan x and y. Yes, so x and then y, and we can require simple variable, then ampersand sign is required, pointer that not required. And now we can take a menu. Yes, here first we can take the menu. So yes, I give the menu first, that is a addition, or you can set that subtraction slash n, then second addition or summation, and then subtraction. Yes, okay, now slash n, and third is a multiplication. Okay, and then slash n, and fourth one is a division. And yes, division, and then slash n, and fifth is a modulo. Yes, so uh, yes, modulo, and then division. Yes, division, modulo division, that known as, and slash n, and six, that is exit. Yes, and slash n. So that is our menu, and here we can give the message. Yes, so enter your choice. Yes, and we can scan a function. So yes, what to do? So percentage d, and we can ch one, take variable ch. Yes, here integer first we can take. So we can take also switch case. There are two techniques: constant, integer constant, and character constant. So we can take, you have to know very well, switch case. Yes, that character, that is a decision statement, and then you can pass the choice here, and an opening brace, and our first case. Yes, case one constant integer, and yes, here we can take yes, R is also a possibility, there is no problem. And you can also take a simple variable. R means result R. Okay, so yes, we can take the R as, and here we can take the break keyword. Yes, you have to know very well switch case syntax. And then I copy and paste. Okay, so we can take all operations. So first is a addition, then subtraction. Yes, I one blank, so you can easily you see, because there are two arithmetic sign that asterisk, and then here is problem here, if we not provide that two asterisk sign is there. Okay, and then here division, and then here modulo. Yes, modulo division, and here there are just exit function inbuilt that and one pass. So non-zero you have to pass, and here over that, and we can print only our result. Yes, you have to know. Yes, here we can already print to all our address, and that also print. Yes, there is no problem, but let us check. So yes, here get ch is not required because we have to for exit before the get ch. So that is a, and one header file is required. Yes, exit function is a that is a process attach. Yes, so I give one header file, and that process.h. Yes, and yes, here we can change also case. Yes, only I copy, but now 1, 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5 and 6 is a exit. Okay, so yes, and we can also close while loop. Yes, here remaining the while loop. So yes, we can that print. Okay, so let us take. Yes, I compile. Any problem? Let us check first. Any we have to change all are perfectly or not. So yes, here addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and modulo and exit. Okay, so I think let us check. I know any error and scan our yes choice. Yes, so yes, that is a first I cannot perfectly menu is all time repetition. Yes, look here, first I choice, enter your choice. So that is a like 10 and 20, and that directly that appear again our menu. So that is a not perfect menu, means all time repetition. And what happen, let us I take two subtraction, so I give like 15 and 5, so that answer is a 10, that perfectly, and all that address is a, yes, look, that address is a in previously and here that is same, and one slash n is required to menu, but that is a not menu, my saying that. So always that repetition, that is a we can fix. So menu is a not always appear again and again. That is not perfectly menu. So yes, that we can solve. And 6, I give the exit 6 choice. So what happen? Again, XY value is scanned, but here is not required. Exit time, we cannot require any value X and Y. So Y we can give. So that we can solve also. So there are two change in require this improve to our logic. So yes, now that exit. Okay. So exit function, yes. So what to do first? Our static menu means that fixed position. So here I give the clear to here. Yes. So first I here taking the clear. So all time that appear in same position. And now I think no required to here slash n because that is a all time clear and that appear. Okay. And then second change, the exit time, that xy value is not scanned. Yes, here. So our x and y. So we can provide here if condition. If show is not equal to 6, then and then this x and y value is a scan, otherwise not scan. So we can not equal to. Yes. So I give closing test, and yes, I compile. So we can change to. Yes, let us check perfectly. So what to do? Not equal to 6, and here I compile and run. Yes, so that now let us check that perfectly. So look, but our answer we have to not see, all are clear. And then second choice I give 15 and 5. So again that clear, and that is menu is a fix, but we cannot see our output. So we can improve next some solution and give the 6. So that time not taking xy value. Yes, I enter. So yes, that directly come out. So that not asking to x and y because that not needed. Yes, that perfectly. But why we can how to see our output? So yes, here after we can use one delay function, so we can see our output. Yes, 1000, and delay is a suspended sometime, means a millisecond of compiler, and that header file is a dos.h, so we can see our output perfectly. Yes, now look at our menu. So yes, and yes, perfectly. So that is a now second. So 15 minus 5, yes, that 10 answer, and 3, yes. So multiplication, so like 5 and 2, 10 answer, yes, all that address is also print. And then 4, so 5 uh, multiply 2, so that is division. And then fifth choice, so like 15 and 3, so there is 0, yes, and exit, yes. So now that complete. And here uh, we can comment of this address, so not disturb our output. And here we can take the that is a technique first, and also you can directly pointer to scan to here is possibility. And now that is second technique, in switch case we can here character constant, yes, here first we can take integer constant 1, 2 or 3, but now we can take the character constant. So how that possibility? So yes, I semicolon and character, yes, ch. So here percentage c, but be careful that taking character constant. So here you can supply the list what value you have to pass. So yes, our operation, um, plus sign, then subtraction, then asterisk, then you can say the division, and then modulo, and then exit for e or small e. Yes, so I save, and we can also change our constant to here in single quote, yes, plus sign. So you can directly supply to, yes, that constant asterisk. Uh, so character constant we have to pass. So that is a second way we can give to our operation handle. And last is a E, capital E. And small e can also two case, yes. So here I can small e, yes, and exit taking to here. So that is two case. And here we can, yes, now perfectly. So here user must be guide, otherwise that taking integer value that creating problem. And here one that is flush function is required because character is a buffer overflow. So std in, and here we can also change the condition because now there is no 6 means so here capital E and operator or ch, because there are two cases here. You can also use logical or operator, but here both case is check and small e, yes. So we can logical and operator, yes. So all are well, let us check. So and here you can also print address, but no, first we can check without address. So yes, here in single quote, yes, because that character is there. So that perfectly, yes. Now ready, yes, there is no any error. And let us check. So I give that is a guidance to user plus sign, so that is a addition, yes. Now any, so you can that take perfectly. And then minus sign, yes, we can provide the operator. So yes, 12, 10, and then multiplication asterisk sign. So 5 multiply to 10, and then division. So like 15 divided by 3, 5, and modulo. So yes, 5 and 2, so 1 reminder. And then E, capital E or small e. Yes, there are two choice. So E, small e, capital E. So that is a perfectly, we can take two technique in the pointer to addition means first, and then switch case we can take the character constant and integer constant, both we can check in our switch case logic menu driven program. So that perfectly we can take in. And now here I open this address because first we can see only perfect way answer, and now that also perfectly. Let us check one time, and you can be care here plus sign. So now give any, so that all address and that clear, and wait for our see our output because we can use delay function. So yes, I give now small e because that same way all operation is performed. So E for exit, yes. So yes, here two case is a same checking. So if we provide the logical or that not perfectly handled because that not exit means here that is a logical or operator, but here and we can take, so both condition check and both cases pass out. Okay. So flush function we have to use. Yes, there is very important session for your knowledge. Here we can logical or and operator, or also you can or operator, and then exit function we can use. Yes, here, and then delay function we can use. And no need to get ch, because we can before the here exit. So that time get ch menu driven program is not required to get ch, because we can take exit to ourselves, terminate the program to get exit function. So yes, alter h and then exit we can take syntax. Yes, that process.h and std standard library is there. That syntax terminate the program, and that is a syntax means declaration. So integer status, and that exit terminate the calling process. Before termination, exit does the following: close all file, write buffer output, waiting to output, and call any register. Exit function post with at exist. Okay. And here that example is also giving by help library. So that is a here that pass status, okay, 0. So yes, I accept key. So that come back to editor and means help menu to editor, and write this program to your C notebook. Very interesting session. So here pointer arithmetic with menu driven program, and switch case we can take two technique, and pointer we can to take two techniques. So normal variable and without normal variable, directly pointer variable you can scan. So yes, that is all about pointer arithmetic, and that also we can see first rules of pointer arithmetic. So you can give always address to other variable, not give any value to pointer variable. Point to, and pointer variable known as a indirect variable. Just point something, that is known as a pointer variable. So yes, that's sufficient for all operation. So that is our menu. Yes, and that our character. Yes, so operator we have to scan using character scanning of the ch choice over. So first we can take integer choice, and now we can character choice. So that is a very important for you. And yes, I close these files and then quit Alt X. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.